Welcome to our latest beautiful property, the Smithy, Old Hall Road, Upper Batley, 4-bedroom property, 2 bathrooms, integral garage, absolutely magnificent barn conversion. Please allow us to show you around. Thank you for viewing. I'm sure you'll agree, a stunning property again. If you'd like to view, give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.